YouTube channel you are seeing here has earned over $5,000 with just a single video, and that's only with the help of AI. Honestly, that's pretty crazy, because what most people don't know is how too easy it is to create this video. In this video I will show you everything you need to know to start with YouTube automation today, and it only with AI. Above all, you will learn about new secret AI tools with which you can create high professional videos that normally take days to weeks to produce. With my strategy, you produce masses of videos in just a few minutes. So before you continue wasting time on bad videos, now watch this video until to the end to understand my complete strategy. My strategy is simple. Every step builds on each other, so you have to watch every single step in this video so that you really go viral on YouTube, because YouTube is not luck but a system, and the whole thing already starts with the niche. So many gurus on YouTube want to tell you that you should upload AI stories or brain rot videos with AI and promise you to go viral with them. But that's simply not true. YouTube is currently deleting masses of channels with exact these videos, but I know there had to be a better way to monetize videos that we created with AI but would not get banned by YouTube. So I have been intensively searching for new niches in the last months and found a completely new niche in the process. This niche is a real goldmine because it's extremely easy to create videos with AI and appeals to a large target audience. I'm talking about the film character niche. The channel TV Junkie uploaded their first video 5 months ago and has already generated over 2 million views in total. The videos are extremely long, which means this guy doesn't need many views to earn a lot of money, because YouTube rewards long videos with very high RPMs. As you can see, the channel has specialized in just one series, Breaking Bad. So we can copy these videos and only change the series or movie. And that's exactly what's brilliant about this in this niche. There are so many different series and films with which we can create such videos. And that brings me directly to another thing. I recently created a complete free newsletter in which I share valuable information weekly, like new niches, tips and thoughts on YouTube automation. You will find the link in the description. So we have now found a viral niche on YouTube. Let's now start with the actual creation of the video. Everything started with the script. This is without the most important step in the entire strategy. A bad script leads to bad performance of our video. Especially in the film character niche, the script has to be particularly very good, because we definitely don't want to spread false information. For the script we use ChatGPT. You can also use Claude. So go to the ChatGPT and enter the following prompt. First, explain to ChatGPT your video topic, then the niche. Also specify the number of words of the script, as well as the language. Now press enter. Write prompts in the comments and I will send you the whole prompt. Now read the full script carefully several times. So that the script now really enjoy the viewers, I copied the script into a new Google Docs file and changed the first 2 to 3 sentences of the script. This is also called the hook. Try in this part of the script to make the viewers as curious as possible, so they want to watch the whole video. Let's now come to the voiceover. For this we use 11 Labs. Go to 11 Labs and sign up for free. It doesn't take long. We have now 2 options to create our voiceover here. I called it beginner and the professional variant, because we can do a lot of things wrong when we want to create a voiceover with 11 Labs. So watch now carefully so you get the best results later. Let's start with the first and easier variant. Go to voiceover section and search here for a strong and deep voice. Try out several voices here.
If you're looking for a calm, confident and
Oh, please!
To find the best voices for our video. After you decided on a voice, now go to the text to speech area. Copy your voiceover here and select the voice you tried out before. Click on generate. If the voice speaks too fast or too slow, you can adjust it manually here. But it's only the complete basic method. You have probably seen this method 1000 times on YouTube, and that's also the reason why many videos don't go viral in the first place. Because YouTube has recently published new rules for AI. YouTube hates AI voices, and that's why there's already a new way to bypass this problem. Because 11 Labs has released a clone voice function that allows us to turn our voice into an AI voice in a few minutes. that we can use for our videos. So go to the voice section, then to generate voice. Here you can now create your own cloned voice. Follow the steps from 11 Labs and upload a few videos of your voice, and 11 Labs creates these videos for you in a few minutes. You will find the link to 11 Labs in the description. After we now created our voiceover, we need the video footage. Since we described and summarized characters from films in this video, we need original film materials that we can use for our video without getting banned on YouTube. So go to the site, install a movie. The site is completely free. Now search at the top in the search bar for your film or character that you need for our video and download it here for free. So that we don't get banned by YouTube for copyright now, we have to do now a few things on our video. So let's now start with the important step in this video, the editing. Especially in our niche that we discovered at the beginning of the video, it's particularly important to cut the materials of the films so that it counts as an authentic content for YouTube. Watch carefully now, because I'm going to reveal some secret tips to you now on how you can create monetizable videos with completely foreign video materials and an AI voice that go viral on YouTube. In this video we use the tool CapCut. It's free and extremely easy to use. First, you naturally create a new project. Now add your voiceover and the video materials. First, drag the voiceover into the timeline and cut out unnecessary pauses. Now add the video clips matching to the voiceover so that the mentioned scenes in our script match to the video material. That's very important. This can take a bit, but it's worth it. Also make sure that each scene from our film is maximum 3 to 7 seconds long, because with this way you bypass the copyright ban of the film. But that's not enough yet. After you have now cut out each scene to a maximum of 7 seconds and the voiceover matches to the film, you now add transitions and effects. Go to the transition section and select a suitable transition one here. Drag it between two clips and adjust it here. Press apply to all, and now the transition is on every scene. You save yourself a lot of time with this trick. We can now improve a few more things so that our video is really accepted by YouTube. Copy the whole project and create a compound clip. This function now makes it easier for us to edit the video better. If you want, you can add nice filters to the video in the effects section. Next we will create subtitles. That's very simple. To add your subtitles, click on the captions at the top left and then on auto generate. CapCut then automatically transcribe the full video and create subtitles. So I don't like the standard template. We will now select a better design under style. As you can see, there's a lot of choices here. Try them all and choose your favorite. Next we will now flip the whole video. Press the symbol at the top and select mirror. Your video looks completely different. And I always do this in my videos, so the chances are now better to be monetized. Now we will still need a good music for our video. Go to the audio section and search for exciting or chill beats. As you can see, CapCut has now some free music for you that you can easily use for our video. Drag it into your timeline. And now press export and select 1080p as well as 60 fps, so your video has good quality. Our video is now finished, but so that our video is also clicked by the viewers, we need a thumbnail. The thumbnail is very important because it decides our success on YouTube. So the thumbnails in our niche are very simple. We created our thumbnails with Canva. It's free and has quite a few exciting effects that we will need later. As we can see, our competition only uses some exports from the film and add a text. For this, go back to your finished video and searching for exciting spots in your film that we can use for our thumbnail. This looks very good. For example, cut out the image, now go to Canva and create a new project. Add the image that we can just took from the video and drag it across to the full screen. Make sure you select the format 1280 to 720 because these are the official sizes for YouTube thumbnails. Increase the contrast of the image and improve the saturation. Now you add a matching word. It should appear exciting or controversial to the viewers. Now we still need an arrow. Search under effects for a red arrows, select it and add it into the thumbnail. Perfect.
Michael Scofield is not the strongest man in the room. He doesn't intimidate with violence. He doesn't lead with his voice.
Now upload the video on our channel. Try to upload at least 3 videos every week so YouTube can play out your videos better, because YouTube needs a bit of time to find the right target audience for your videos. So don't stop directly after 5 videos, but first post several videos. And if you don't believe me, Mr. Beast has also something to say about it.
Any of you listening, especially if you have 0 videos on your channel, your first video is not going to get views. Period. It's not. Your first 10 are not going to get views. I can very confidently say that. So stop sitting there and thinking for months and months on end, and just get to work and start uploading.
So you have heard Mr. Beast. Stay actively on it, and even more important, start to understand the YouTube game. Because there's a small detail that I haven't shown in this video, but the topic would exceed the scope of this video. But don't worry, I will make a video about it soon. How you can already earn money with the first video, even though you still have 0 subscribers. So that you don't miss the video, you have to subscribe to the channel here for free now and like the video, so you will be notified as soon as the video is published. Don't forget to subscribe to my free newsletter with exclusive information on YouTube automation, link is in description. By the way, I recently published a complete video on how you can build a successful faceless YouTube channel with AI in 2026. Just click on here in the shown video. See you there.